In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Step 1 is to locate the video or the audio piece that you'd like to export. In this case, I have a video with audio and then a video with second audio. I'm going to drag this to the right. The next step is to create an in point and an out point of the audio that you'd like to export. By clicking I or Control I, I'm going to the out points or the N and click O or Control O. And then on your keyboard, click Control and M, and this will bring up the export menu or settings. Under the export settings, under Format, click the drop-down arrow and locate where it says MP3. And then under Preset, you can change this from a lower, higher, or higher quality. Either one works. You have 3 options. You have other options if you scroll down under the second tab where it says Audio. You can change this to mono to stereo, or from the codec from fast to high. And you can even change the bitrate even further if you would like. You can change or save your output name as the following, as wherever you'd like to on the PC, and you can choose to queue your export or click Export. Now, if you want to export 2 audio tracks at once, in this case, I'd like to export the video with the audio and the other audio track. You can do this by unlinking the video or by right-clicking the video and click Unlink so that the video is now unlinked from the audio. And then now we have 2 audio pieces, and choose or locate what you would like to export. In this case, I already have the in point and the out point, and I'm going to click Control and M on my keyboard and follow the same procedures and click Queue or Export.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.